really not too bad of a deal either. These at one point were around $49.99 online, so I'll take it local for...
I'll take it local.
Me local! What's up? Oh.
Let me take a seat real quick.
I don't even want to say I'll take it local for this price anymore.
I'll
take it for this good price. There you go. And honestly, an X670 is kind of overkill for a 57. And honestly, an X... Dude, I'm struggling really bad.
Oh, it's one of those.
No, Jackson, I asked if you could just play something fun.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop doing that, McAllister. I feel like you're eventually gonna get actually upset. And it's not gonna be my problem, but no, I'm just kidding, I'm kidding.
From the yacht to the such to the wrist to the mule, yeah, I'm edging in Ohio, phantom flexing as
Look how excited he is.
Jonah filled his diaper!
Was you the most phallus? Like it like cleared out the room.
Jonah filled his diaper and now we're ready.
It's kind of filling up the room a little bit, to be honest.
Oh, check the link description down below. Let us know what you think of this handheld down below, and are you considering picking one up? These guys are both smiling. What is going on?
I'm thinking about what Jonah said earlier.
He said...
Sometimes you guys get some very exclusive paraphernalia.
Paraphernalia.
Product.
Items, gifts.
Items, gifts, luxurious boxes. It actually is just proper fitted, you know?
That's crazy.
Seems so like wannabe looking. All right, we ready? Lumpy.
What? What kind of...
Did you just call him lumpy?
Lumpy.
Lumpy.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Cool.
Have a good day.
It's good meeting you all.
Good meeting you all. I said you all, didn't I?
I'm Thor 300.
Just cut that part. All right. Just be like, all right, looks good.
All right, looks good.
Sweet.
Cool. Thank you.
Dude, this just isn't working.
All our money's gone.
Wait, is that right? Because I'm holding it.
Oh, he's like, all our money's gone. He's holding the money.
Dude, I
I
was
say it's
like,
all gone.
Yeah.
Well, and I called you, so like,
Yeah,
you know
okay.
what happened.
My God, these damn scalpers! I can't believe them. I'm looking at the camera when I did it.
Yeah. You got to be more angry.
All right.
More mad. Hey man, are you Facebook 47?
ToastyBros?
Okay. Action? Right.
Wait,
God,
whoa,
Johnny,
whoa,
you gotta yell action, man. Horrible director. Hey man, Facebook 4070?
Are you Jackson from the ToastyBros?
Oh my God, dude, this is literally such a huge score. Matt was so freaking right.
Man, I told you.
I laughed. I couldn't help it.
All right, I got this.
Scooch
I got
back.
this. I got this.
Man, this is such a good score. Matt was so freaking right.
Man, I told you so. I got the hookups.
Oh, you looked at me.
Oh
Damn.
shit, I did.
You can leave him there though. That's fine. You have to, oh, okay.
Man, I told you so. I got the hookups.
Hey man, is that the 4070 Ti Super?
Yeah, it's 4070 Ti.
Can I,
Check it
mind
out.
if I check it out?
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
Are you recording, Jonah? Okay. Hey man, is that the 4070 Ti Super?
Yeah, it's 4070 Ti Super. You want to check it out?
Oh, that.
Was that time? The timing was so off.
Oh, God.
4070 Ti Super?
Yeah, you want to check it out?
Yeah, let me check this out.
Go for it. Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Recording.
Hey man, thanks for meeting up with me again.
Have you ever considered my deal, man? Like, you have 2K?
Yeah, I got it behind my back here.
All right, let's see it. Oh!
For meeting up with me again.
Do you have the money or not, man? I'm...
Yeah, it's behind my back, dude.
All right, let's see it, man. Oh!
We're good. We can recover. We can.
Thermal paste.
Actually? Yeah, let's do it.
Check.
All right, now that my finger's clean, we're good to go ahead and start cleaning the PC.
Wait a minute. You know, that's fine.
It's a performance gaming PC using a little bit of used parts deals.
A little bit of a deep dive on some things you should do. Oh God, popular right now, and I've been talking to AT&T, and I've fucked up. Bro.
5 gig.
5 gig, f***ed up fiber.
Hello, hello.